it is always rough. Now I'm going to the first problem. Find the spectral coefficients for x of n equal to cos pi by 4 into n. Cos pi by 4 into n. Okay. So you have to compare this with the form. You have to compare this with a standard form cos omega n, and omega value is pi by 4 here. Omega value is pi by 4 here. And I told you n components are there. In the previous step, I told you n components are there. Either summation limits or the extended components, the n components are there. That n is called time period. So time period, n is calculated always by the formula 2 pi by omega. And omega value we have seen, it is pi by 4 from the given question. This pi and pi gets cancelled, 2 into 4 will come, and 8 is the value for n. Time period equal to 8. The number of components we have to use in the summation is 8. Okay. This we can do in many ways. This we can extend in many ways. 0 to 7 we can use in the summation limits. Okay. Which is nothing but 0 to n minus 1, what we are doing here. Other way what we can do, minus n by 2 to plus n by 2 minus 1 means what? 8 by 2 means 4. Okay, so we can use it minus 4 to plus n by 2 minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 4 to plus 3 also we can use in the summation limits. There is another option. You can take negative side minus n by 2 minus 1, positive side n by 2. Totally n components will come in all these three different ways. Okay. So what is the third way here? Minus n by 2 minus 1 means minus 3. 2 plus n by 2 means 4. If you count what is happening here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 components are present. Okay. And here also minus 4 to plus 3. If you count minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8 components are there. And 0 to 7 means 8 components are there. You can use any of this combination based on the requirement in the summation limits. Okay, these are the basic details. The first step what we have to do in DTFS. This is the step 1 solution. This is the step 1 what we'll be doing in the calculation. Step 2, what we have to do? Step 2, take the original given x of n. X of n, it is given as cos pi by 4 n. Cos pi by 4 n. So we can write cos pi as e power, or cos theta I will take. It will be easy for understanding. Cos theta I will take. Cos theta can be written as e power j theta plus e power minus j theta divided by 2. If sin theta is there, we can write it as e power j theta minus e power minus j theta divided by 2j. These are the formulas already we know. Now here I have cos theta. In the place of theta, I have pi by 4 n. Okay, cos theta place I have pi by 4 into n. I will write it in terms of exponential. So e power j into pi by 4 n plus e power j into minus e power minus j into pi by 4 n divided by 2. Okay, this is my expansion for the given question. I will make it as equation 1. This is the expansion for given question. I will make it equation 1. Okay. Now what I will do, step 3, I will go to the general formula. I have to find the spectral coefficients, means I have to calculate CK value. Spectral coefficients means what is the CK value I have to find. Okay. Formula for CK is nothing but summation x of n e power minus j 2 pi kn divided by capital N, and the limits are 0 to n minus 1. Okay. And here I will have this k value is 0, 1, 2, 3 like that up to. Just 1 minute. So just 1 minute. I need the spectral coefficient values. Here what I will do is, I will take equation, the formula the equation 2 in the formulas. I will take equation 2. Just I will show you what I am trying to do. Here in the formulas, equation 2 I will consider. Equation 2 I will consider, and then while expanding, I will equate it to already this equation I have written. Already this equation 1 I have written in the formulas. I will equate it to this and I will find the CK values. Okay, that is my idea. So what I will do, the frequency domain to time domain conversion, frequency domain to time domain conversion, x of n is nothing but summation Ck e power plus j 2 pi kn divided by capital N, and here summation limits are k equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here small n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n minus 1. Capital N is time period, we know. What I am trying to do is, in the formulas I am using equation 2. In the formulas I am using equation 2, which is frequency domain to time domain conversion. Okay, now we already know we can take the summation limits, okay, by splitting it. So what I will do, I will take it from minus 3 to plus 4 ck e power j 2 pi kn. Already capital N value we calculated, so I am putting it 8. Capital N value we already calculated in the previous step, I am putting it 8. Now this is equal to summation k equal to minus 3 to plus 4 and ck e power j, okay, e power j, and then pi kn divided by 4. Okay, let this be equation number 2. Let this be equation number 2. I will expand equation 2. I will expand equation 2. I will put k value minus 3. I will put k value minus 2. Okay, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that I will expand. So first I will have to start with minus 3. Okay, so here already I have x of n equal to summation k equal to minus 3 to plus 4 ck e power j, okay, kn pi is also there divided by 8. Okay, kn pi is also there, sorry, divided by 4, because that cancellation is done. Cancellation is done. So what I will do, divided by 4 I have to write, and in the same way I will write whatever there in the previous step. In the same way I will write. Here I have e power j pi kn divided by 4. Okay, now what is my plan? I have to expand. When I put k equal to minus 3, it becomes c minus 3 e power minus j. In the place of k I am putting 3, so 3n by 4, and then if I put minus 2 e power minus j pi 2n by 4, and then c power minus 1 e power minus j pi n divided by 4. If I put 0, c0 e power 0. If I put plus 1, it is c1 e power j pi into n by 4. In the place of k I am putting, I am expanding the summation, that's all. I am expanding the summation, plus c2 e power j pi 2n divided by 4 plus c3 e power j pi 3n divided by 4. Like this, how much I have to do? Summation limits are there up to 4. So 8 components will come. So I have to write up to that factors. 8 components finished. 8 components completed. Okay. So now what I will do, wherever simplification possible, I will just simplify. Wherever cancellation in the exponential power is possible, just I will simplify. This is c minus 3. No simplification possible. So e power minus j 3 pi n by 4 as it is I am writing. Second term, little simplification is possible. E power minus j, okay, pi n by 2 I will write, plus c minus 1 e power minus j pi n divided by 4. Next c0 e power 0 means 1. Next c1 e power j pi n by 4. Next c2 e power j pi n by 2. And the last 2 more terms are there. c3 e power j pi 3n by 4, and the last term c4 e power j pi into n. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Okay, so just I have, wherever possible simplification is there, I have done it. Now let this be, what is the equation number? I have given 2 already. I will take this as equation 2a, because 2 and 2a is one and the same. Just I have expanded, and wherever possible simplification is there, I have done. That's all. 2 and 2a are one and the same. That's why same equation number I am giving. Now I will compare equation 1 and 2a. I have to compare equation 1 and 2a. Okay. Compare equation 1 and 2a. So what is my intention? What is my intention? If you see in equation 1, e power j pi by 4n is there, e power minus j pi by 4n is there. Okay, e power j pi by 4n, e power minus j pi by 4n. In equation 2a, where is that present? J pi by 4n, e power plus j, okay, this is e power plus j pi by 4 into n, this is e power minus j pi by 4 into n, okay. So these two terms what I am telling. And the coefficients is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So what I will do, this c minus 1 value is 1 by 2, c minus 1 value is 1 by 2, and the c plus 1 value is 1 by 2. C plus 1 value is 1 by 2 after comparison. Okay, so what I will write after comparison, C minus 1 value I got plus 1 by 2 and C plus 1 value I got plus 1 by 2. No other factors are present. In equation 1, no other factors are present, only these two exponentials are there. So all the other factors, whatever present in equation 2a, the coefficient values are 0, which means C minus 3 value 0, C minus 2 value 0, and hence those terms are not present in equation 1. After C minus 1, C0 will come. After C minus 1, C0 will come. That is also 0. C plus 1 we identified. All other coefficients you have to show that the values are 0. All other coefficients, the values are 0. These are the spectral coefficients. These are the spectral coefficients. Finally, what we are getting is C minus 1 and C plus 1 value is half, okay, and all other coefficients are 0, okay. All other coefficients are 0. Only these two coefficients we are getting the value as half, okay. This is how we have to calculate the spectral coefficients in DTFS. This is how we have to calculate spectral coefficients in DTFS.